The baby mask is designed to make administration of the metered dose inhale, or through Xerostat spacer device to infants and children easier. Assemble the Xerostat VT spacer, remove the mouthpiece cap, and fit the baby mask onto the mouthpiece of the Xerostat VT spacer. Make sure that the assembled Xerostat VT spacer with the baby mask is clean. Remove the mouthpiece cap from the inhaler, and check that the mouthpiece is clean. Shake the inhaler well. Insert the inhaler into the opposite end of the Xerostat VT spacer. The Xerostat VT spacer with baby mask is now ready for use. Holding the inhaler, press down on the canister to release a dose into the Xerostat VT spacer. You will see the dose released in the spacer. Sit or lay the child on your lap, and hold the baby mask firmly over the mouth and nose, with the Xerostat VT spacer and inhaler upright, ensuring that the exhalation vent fits over the nose. Let the child breathe normally for 30 seconds, or as long as is comfortable. The baby mask makes it easy to inhale the complete dose of medicine to young children, using an inhaler and spacer device, thereby obtaining the full benefit of the medicine.